All right, so I'm going to show you a web tool from Chrome that will allow you to be writing on the screen of any web page that you have. Because while we are doing this remote learning, while we're doing the hybrid learning, you might want to showcase a website in one of the videos that you create for your students, but you want to write on it, but you can't really do that. So I am here in a Chrome tab, as you can see. And when and this has to be done in Chrome, so you can't use Firefox, can't use Safari. I recommend Chrome anyway. So if you go here and you search for Chrome extensions, the Chrome web store is going to pop up. So I'm going to have you go here, and when this loads up, there we go. Over here in the web store, what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you type in Web Paint. And as you can see here, Web Paint, draw in text. I'm going to click on this top one here. Mine says remove from Chrome because I already have it, but you will have it say add to Chrome here, and you click on add to Chrome and you do all the downloading stuff. So once you do that, up here in your toolbar for Chrome will have some of the tools that you use. If you have this one here for extensions, you can put the pin on it so it pins to your address bar. I have a couple other ones here, like I have the Color Pick Eyedropper and I have Flow. So for right now, I'll use Web Paint. So make sure that you have this logo up there. If you need help with this, let me know. So once you click on Web Paint, let's try this. There we go. So apparently that website I wasn't allowed to do it on, so I have this website now. So what this is just a toolbar for you to be able to draw and write on any web page that you have. And what you can do is you can move it around, so you can post it wherever you want to post it on your screen. So down here is all your writing tools and all your line tools and your shape tools. So it's very simple as just if you want to write, you do that. I'm not a good drawer, as you can tell. And you can change the color of it to whatever you want it to be. You can change the transparency, so you want to make it more of like a highlight rather than a actual color. You can do that, and you can change the size, so you can make it smaller or you can make it bigger. A couple other tools here. There is a shape tool, so you can do a square around it, and again, you can change the colors and the transparency and the size of all those borders on there. You can also fill it in with whatever color you want. And so you're able to do that. Oh, I just did the whole thing. There's also undo buttons, because if you mess up like I just did, you can do that as well. So now one of the things I like down here is in the control part, there is a couple different tools here. This one is you can take a screenshot of your current screen. And then so what it did was it took this, and then you can either click download, print, copy the clipboard, or you can crop it. So I'm just going to click download, and it downloads down here as a JPEG, and you can share that with your students later on if they missed it, or if you just want to give them some instructions maybe over here on the side of a website so they know what they're doing while they are working on it. The next one, and then back over here, we have just to close the control panel, and then you can just come up here and click on it again so it reappears. This one's just to quit completely, and this one is just to erase everything, so that way you can start anew. And again, there's arrows, there's other lines that you can choose from that can help you when you are talking through a web page. You're able to do this. So you're able to do this during a recording like I'm doing right now, or you can do it in front of your class when you are working with your kids. So again, this is called Web Paint. I will put the link into the Google Classroom for technology. If you have any questions about this, let me know.